Welcome to watch the Hubsan drone tutorial video. Bind Hubsan Care Refresh. Hubsan Care Refresh provides an opportunity for a lost warranty within a year. If the drone suffers from water ingress, collision, loss, and other accidents, you only need to pay the corresponding replacement fee, and the damaged or lost product can be replaced with a brand new product. If you have purchased or plan to purchase the Hubsan Care Refresh, you need to associate your account and bind your device and remote control before flying. First, connect the aircraft. Enter the home page of the app. Click Me, Device Management. Click ACE SE. Click Associate Account to associate your account. Click Value-Added Service to bind your remote control. In order to ensure that your aircraft can normally enjoy the flight replacement service, if the first two operations are not completed, or any one of the operations is canceled after completion, if the aircraft lost during flight, you will not be able to apply for the replacement service. Thanks for watching the tutorial video. Any issue? Please feel free to contact service@hubsan.com.